Okay, I wanna yap something. Good camera, good haircut. Anyway, I was having coffee with a friend of mine. Nandun kami sa Gasivan Cafe. Yung second branch nila maliit, hindi yung main branch nila malaki sa Portavaga. But it's near Portavaga, no? Pinag-uusapan kasi namin is yung LU trip nila and how was it and ganun-ganon. And I was really surprised. So, sinabi ko na parang, okay, try ko kaya mag-isa. Tinanong ko kung ilang oras yung biyahe, all in all, and the cost and everything. Tapos, sinabi niya, ang hilig mo na mag-isa. Like, parang something along the lines of that, or kaya, ang hilig mong, gumala, do things alone, ganun. Tapos parang, first time ko lang makuha yun. Like, that's the first time that I got that statement, and until now, I still feel something deep about it. Ang laki ng butike. Yung linyahan talaga na, ang hilig mo gumala mag-isa o kaya mag-explore mag-isa, ganun, no? Yung rason ko naman dun is, before you start exploring the world or going on adventures or going out, no, before you start doing that with a bunch of friends, a bunch of people, romantic or platonic, you gotta enjoy your company first. Yung sinabi, di yung sinabi ko, but tama naman. Ang hilig kong gumala mag-isa. Sa mga stories ko, I'll be doing things all in my own. I'll be having coffee na ako lang mag-isa. I'll be running alone. I'll be doing long distance run alone. Mag-grocery ako na mag-isa. Like, the everyday chores of an average college student dito sa Baguio. Lagi ako mag-isa. Nakikita sa story ko yun. Mag-grocery ako mag-isa, di ba? You'll get the point, no? And it's not that I don't have friends or wala akong mayaya. Kasi lagi nga ako nagpaparamdam sa IG notes na, sinong gustong sumama sa akin sa grocery. I was trying to, lagi kong ini-invite yung mga IG moods ko, mga Baguio moods ko, na, nagpaparinig, mag-IG notes ako na, sinong gustong sumama-sama na mag-grocery tapos coffee after, ganon. Wala nagdi-DM sa akin, and when I try to invite someone, alanganin sila, hindi kasi nagtutugma yung schedule, because yung mga Baguio moods ko, yung isa doon, eduk, intern, tapos the rest, mga nursing rin na ibang block, no? Hindi rin nagtutugma yung schedule, o kaya hindi sila nagre-reply sa notes, o kaya is because naiya sila or something like that. But like, after naman nun, siguro I'll wait like for 20 minutes, and then after waiting for 20 minutes, dun na ako lalabas. And I do all of those things alone. Which is peaceful. No. It's not that I'm trying to look desperate pa kasi iniisip ng mga iba, ay, ba't parang ito si Ryan lagi naghahanap ng kasama. Laging naghahanap ng kasama to have coffee, to hang out, to, samahan sila mag-grocery. Like, di ka ba loner, stuff like that. Alam mo, gato the only reason kung bakit ko linalagay sa IG notes ko yun is because I wanna interact. I wanna spend more time with people, can't call them friends that. I wanna spend more time with friends and acquaintances and yung mga kakilala. I wanna spend time with them, get to know them, hang out with them, ganun. Yun lang. Hindi yung parang desperado ako, na. Kasi I still do it. No? Kahit wala akong kasama. And, yun nga, gaya nga ng sabi ko, before I don't know, parang pakiramdam ko lang kasi na it's better to do the things that you do alone, no? You gotta enjoy your own presence. You gotta enjoy your own company bago ka, magyaya ng kahit sino-sino, kahit mapa-dates man, or like the romantic aspect of going out with strangers and getting to know them, or kaya platonic, yung magyaya ka na, just to hang out with and stuff like that. No? I feel good whenever I hang out with myself. Surprisingly, even though nasanay naman na ako na mag-isa, and stuff like that, sa Saudi yan pero dito kasi sa Pinas, parang ramdam mo kasi, mas ramdam mo yung pagiging mag-isa. Mas feel mo yung pagiging alone mo. Not lonely, because lonely is sad. Alone is different. So, ramdam mo talaga. And depende kung ano man yung tingin mo doon or what. But, whenever I grab coffee and a dessert, na ako lang. Siguro like recently, this week ata yun, I feel like it was a Monday or it was a Tuesday. Tumakbo ako, and then after kong tumakbo, hindi ako agad umuwi. Pinuntahan ko yung Gishaven kasi doon ko sana dadalhin yung crush ko. Doon ko sana siya ititreat sa Gishaven Cafe. But you know what? After ng run ko, pumunta ako doon mag-isa. And then, I ordered a white rabbit na hot. White rabbit parang siyang candy, tapos may candy siya, tapos may espresso and like, ganun. And also chocolate brioche, like something like, basta croissant siya na may pistachio sprinkles and then chocolate na parang burnt, parang ganun. Yeah. And nandun ako. The view was nice. I enjoyed it myself. No. Siguro pag college ka na, kasi madami kami, 'di ba, sa college. We're like 44 students. Gusto ko silang kaibiganin lahat. I can vibe, like ganun. Pero wala pa kasi yung matatawag na kaibigan. No. So I tend to do things on my own talaga. And all I felt whenever I'm alone, na nagkakape, o kaya tumatakbo, o kaya dun sa Malcolm Square, pag upo lang ako dun for like, 10 minutes na ako lang, so I'm gonna watch the view, o kaya pupunta ako sa Burnham, I'm gonna sit there for a while, ganon. It's nice to enjoy your own company. Thinking about it right now, ang gaan sa pakiramdam kasi pag mag-isa ka, you don't really have to worry about anything. You don't really have to worry on being someone else para lang maka-vibe yung tao na yun. Hindi mo kailangan maging plastic sa ibang tao, like not your genuine self. Pag mag-isa ka kasi, at least sa akin, pag mag-isa ako, I feel my most genuine self ever. Feel ko na pag mag-isa ako, when I'm doing things on my own, I am in my most authentic talaga. Hindi ako nagpapanggap, hindi ako nag-aalala, hindi ako nagsusot ng maskara. I am just Ryan. I'm just here with myself. Ganun lang. Diba? Sana, I feel like this is a useless, walang kwentang yap. Pero yeah, I'm gonna still yap. It's like, what you guys gotta do about it, huh? No? Wala kasing kailangan alahanin pag mag-isa kayo whenever you're having coffee. Wala talaga. You observe the people, you observe the view, you're having coffee, tapos you don't really have to think, I feel like I'm in my most safest place when I'm with myself. Aside from that one person, yung dalawang best friends ko, aside from that, I feel the most safest when ako lang. No? And sa blockmates ko, wala pa ako like, siyempre, ilang anong buwan pa lang naman. August, September, October. It's gonna be November, diba? No, pero so far, wala pa akong naramdaman dun that can be a safe place. Platonically speaking. Kasi baka nang iniisip yung safe place ay romantic yan. Hindi. I have known, wala pang matawag na friend na safe space ko, ganun. Puwedeng umupo na lang kami in silence, gano'n, wala pa. So, you gotta appreciate yourself. You gotta appreciate the time that you're going to have with yourself. Kailangan mo munang maranasan, kailangan mong ma-experience yun, kailangan mong maramdaman yun, kailangan mong sanayin yung sarili mo yun bago ka makipag-hangout, bago ka magyaya, bago ka pumunta sa mga dates, stuff like that. Before you interact with people, before you hang out with people, you gotta appreciate the timeliness of being alone. You gotta appreciate your own company. Because if you don't appreciate your own company, tas lagi kang may kasama, paano yun pag mag-isa ka? Parang dependent ka sa kanila, parang ganun. When in fact, na by the end of the goddamn day, whether you have a girlfriend or not, mag-isa ka pa rin. And who's gonna take care of you? Who's gonna do that? Like, alam mo yun, like, by the end of the goddamn day, all you have left is yourself. So why not, before you crave for connection, before you look for connections, before you look for friends to hang out with, appreciate yourself muna. Because that's what I'm doing. May isang tao dito na I'm like trying to hang out with. Crush ko siya. Hindi ko siya matatawag na date. I just wanna hang out with that person. Why? Because she is goddamn pretty and I feel like that I'm gonna love her energy whenever magkasama kami. No? And if, hindi talaga gumana romantically, iturupahin ko na lang siya. It's a win-win. At least I get to have a pretty goddamn friend. Meron siyang gustong iba. Pero in-admire ko pa rin kasi she is goddamn beautiful. Like, imagine having two versions of her. One version of her na nursing student na malinis, like, so pretty, so professional. Tapos you got the second version of her na hindi mo mahalata, oh shit, nursing student ka pala? Pero ganyan yung vibe mo. You have colored hair, you have piercings, you have tattoos, diba? Stuff like that. Damn! Anyway, yun lang naman. I just feel peace. And I feel like this is new to me. Nagulat nga ako nung sinabi niya sa akin ng hilig mo mag-isa, ang hilig mo gumana mag-isa. Kasi never ko pang nakuha yung ganun, and I'm surprised because hindi ko pa naisip yun, and lagi kong usually naisip ko is like I'm always with someone, like I don't know. O kaya maybe I'm surprised na may nakapansin or like napansin niya na ang hilig ko pala mag-isa. Tapos di ko pala napansin sa sarili ko yun until may mention niya. So parang napaisip ako, nga naman. Diba? Like, good point. Yun lang naman. You guys have a good one. No? And, yeah. Mabuhay kayo ng malaya. Ang ganda ng camera, no? Actually, dito nagre-record sa OBS because for some goddamn unknown reason, whenever I try to use the camera, yung Windows camera, it's gumagana. Like, it's really speed running. Pero pag dito, wow. Smooth. Anyway, yun lang.